It is just gonna be a double unboxing kind of day. I have two Boxycharms here. Well, last month I was a bad beauty blogger and I totally forgot to open it with you guys, so I figure why not double the fun? We're gonna do November and this month, which is December, so I'm hoping for some holiday magical fun in here. Also, if you are new, hey, my name is Kim. Welcome to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Santa's watching, okay? Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload fun videos like this. And let's just dive into it and see which box we like better. So you guys know the drill. If you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I always have it linked in my description box. No pressure, it's just there if you guys like what you see and you're interested. I do get a small commission when you sign up, and I am so grateful when you guys use my links, so thank you so much for that. I think this one is November, so if you ever watch my Boxycharm videos, I don't look at spoilers, I don't look inside, so it's a complete surprise. So let's start with product number one, which, oh my gosh, we started out strong. Usually this would be like the last item that I pick, but this is so cool. So we have a Violet Voss Violet Sunset palette. I really like Violet Voss palettes. I have a bunch of them. I have some really old ones too. I probably need to declutter, but the packaging on this already has me like kind of reeled in, so let's open her up. If you guys don't know, Violet Voss is actually owned by someone who used to make YouTube videos, and she was one of like the first YouTubers I ever watched back in like, must have been like 2007 or 2008. That's how far back it was. And she doesn't make videos anymore, but she does have this line. Oh my gosh, this is cool. Not at all what I expected. I thought it was gonna be a lot more bright shades. We really only have one bright shade here with the purple. I was expecting, because of this outside packaging, like, where's the orange? Where's the bright pink? I don't know. Like, I'm definitely all about the neutrals. Something called Violet Sunset. I wish there would be more purple colors. So I mean, that's definitely a bit disappointing to only have two purple colors and they're not even that bright. I think most people will probably like this palette because it's wearable, which I definitely do, but it would have been nice to see maybe like one like really funky purple shade in here. At least have like maybe this whole row down here be like all purples and a pink and an orange, and then just have like the neutrals up here. So that's a little bit weird. I'm a little bit confused by that, but I'm gonna of course try it out and use it and create a fun look with it. I do also have the olive palette from Violet Voss, which I think we got in Boxycharm. That was like maybe a few months back, or maybe like 6 months ago, and I loved that palette. The next product, this is from Seraphine Botanicals. I think we have gotten something from them before. This is the Primrose and Cream Lip and Cheek Cream Palette. So this is cruelty-free, no parabens. It has pleasure oil and shea butter. I never heard that before. Evening Primrose, Cowslip Primrose, Cabbage Rose. We got a lot of interesting stuff in here that I literally did not even know went into cosmetics, but hey, I'm for it. The packaging is so cute. I love the little design on the front. Ooh, these look like all, yeah, they're all creams, lip and cheek. Okay, so I mean, I would probably use these more as cheek products. I don't know if I would use these as lip products, but at least you have the option there if you want to. So it says it's a buttery palette infused with luscious plant oils and waxes, creamy formulations, shea butter, luminizes and conditions the complexion. So very pretty. I mean, I am loving this like deeper shade right here, and like this one looks really delish, so I will definitely be trying this out. Okay, product number 3. This is Trust Fund Beauty. I think this is also what I like to call a Boxycharm brand. Like, you always see them just in Boxycharm. I feel like Boxy and really all the boxes, they love lip oils. Like, it's a very common product that you'll see come in. Oh wow, this is actually really cute packaging. It's clear, but it has these like gold particles suspended in it. It's actually really cool. I feel like you probably won't be able to see the gold sparkles like on your lips, but I don't know, it's still kind of cool. I will definitely use it. I do love lip oils. I like to keep them by my desk and like in my car, in my bag, so I just can put something on really quick. They also are great for putting underneath lipstick, like to kind of prime your lips. So Very cool. I like the gold sparkles. We have, oh, Ace Beauty, another Boxycharm brand. This is the eyeshadow amplifying base in light. It says it's a full coverage product that should be applied before eyeshadow. Intensifies your eyeshadow colors, both mattes and shimmers, and it makes eyeshadow stay on longer. And this looks nice. Let's do a little swatchity swatch. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is an intense primer. All right, Ace Beauty coming out with some really cool stuff. I will definitely be using this. I mean, I love eyeshadow bases. I love how vibrant they make your eyeshadow, and I think it's such a genius makeup product. I believe this is our last product. Kate Somerville, a TJ Maxx staple. I always see her products at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. This is the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. This has goat milk and polypeptides and manuka honey, or manuka as me and Nick like to say, to remove impurities, oil, and makeup, and it keeps skin smooth and healthy looking. Let's just open this guy up. You know what? Can't remember if I've ever tried a Kate Somerville product myself. She has really nice packaging and products. There is some fragrance in here. There's rosemary leaf extract, sunflower extract, coconut oil. Sometimes, oh, it has jojoba seed oil. Sometimes coconut oil in products can cause some acne, so I'm a little bit wary of using it on my skin. So I don't know if I will use this. I might put it in a giveaway, but it's still a really nice, like, full-size high-end cleanser. This is the pamphlet. It's called Invite Only, and the Violet Voss eyeshadow is $37. It is a Boxycharm exclusive. The Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser is $40. The Seraphine Lip and Cheek Cream Palette is $42. I'm always like so shocked by the prices on the like lesser known brands. I'm like, $42. That's like Sephora prices right there. Trust Fund Beauty Lip Oil is $18, and the Ace Beauty Amplifying Base is $14.99. Total retail value of everything added up is $151.99, so definitely a great value for the box, at least I think. I thought this was a really good box. I think it's always fun when you get an eyeshadow palette. I definitely feel like that kind of amps up my excitement about a box. I don't know if you guys agree, like what makes the box special for you? Like when it's makeup focused, you guys feel like then, oh my gosh, it's like the best box ever. Or if it's like skincare heavier, you're like, oh, I didn't really like it that much. It really depends on like what you value. So I know a lot of you asked me what number my box is. This one is C211044-BA. So if you guys got the same box as me for November, let me know, because I know this was last month. So if you got the same one as me, comment down below. Alright guys and ghouls, let's move on to the December box and wave the hand around and pick something out. I will try not to start with the biggest thing this time. What are you? Oh, we have a sponge duo. This is from Araceli Beauty. Or they look like kind of flocked sponges similar to like a Juno & Co. These are called the Bella sponges. Has anyone tried anything from this brand? It says apply foundation, concealer, and cream, baking. You guys already know about sponges. I don't have to tell you. So these look nice. I mean, I'm always down for sponges. I love trying out new sponges. I think they're one of my favorite beauty tools like on the planet. So that is always fun. I don't know if I ever got a sponge before in Boxycharm. Usually like brushes only. This is, oh, this is cool. It's Tarte Sea, like S-E-A, like the ocean. Glotion Skin Perfector. I always really enjoy getting Tarte in these boxes because I don't really buy it too much like on my own, and I never see Tarte at TJ Maxx or Marshalls, so that's why I like getting it in here. It's a 3-in-1 formula to perfect, enhance, and prime, and I am definitely I want to try this out on my hand. Glowy? I don't know. Not really sure. Let's see. Like a champagne kind of tint to it. Just kind of rubbing it on here. I mean, it feels like a moisturizer. Interesting. Very interesting. I'm wondering, it says you could use it alone or you can like wear it under your foundation. I'm wondering if this is something that would almost make me like too oily because I already am oily. I don't know. Pretty cool though. I'm curious to see how my skin will react with this, especially with foundation. On product number 2, this is Mellow. I almost thought it said meow. Mellow Lip Pencil. This looks like a nice nude color. It says it's designed and developed in Australia, made in China, paraben free, no animal testing. It's like a nude, whoop, nude shade. Let's see. Not, oh, is it a sharpened one? Oh, dang. All right, so there's that. Let's do like a little, oh, okay, yeah. I mean, that is definitely a color that I would for sure wear. The shade is called Rose. So, I mean, it feels really creamy too. All right. This is a Mud Masky. I guess that's the brand, Mud Masky. Mineral infused double cleansing mask. All right, cool. I'm always kind of like on masks. Like, I like them, but I'm just like, like, I feel like I have so many masks. It's nice that this one has no fragrance in it from what I can see. Oh, it's actually made in Amsterdam. That's actually really cool. Okay, I'll give them that. It's interesting. Skin loving ingredients, PETA certified. All right, it's fragrance free, infused with rich minerals. Okay, I like this actually more. It is very hard to find a mask without fragrance in it. And I know a lot of people have sensitive skin, so I would definitely try this. And I've never heard of Mud Masky before, so I'm curious about this. It has cucumber, mallow flower extract, elderberry flower extract. Okay, I will definitely try this out. Any like lasting effects from it. I believe this is our final product. I kind of tried to go through these pretty quickly. This is, oh my gosh, this brand. I think we saw this at TJ Maxx and Marshalls for a while. It's called Real Her, but I've never tried any stuff from the brand. So it's the Dreams So Big eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna up because I kind of want to see what this looks like because there's no like pictures or anything on the packaging. This chair that I'm sitting in is so squeaky. It's really bad. Like, I hope you guys can't hear it. It's embarrassing. It says, at Real Her, we donate a part of proceeds to nonprofit organizations that help advance the lives of women and girls through scholarship programs, leadership, education. That's awesome. Oh, wow. Oh, I think one of the shades almost broke, but it looks like it's kind of hanging on. A neutral palette. It's a little on the boring side, I'm not gonna lie. It's not really like an inspiring palette to me. I mean, it's decent. I would definitely try it out. But I might honestly end up just putting this in a giveaway for one of you guys so I don't waste it because I have so many palettes to try. We'll give this to one of you guys. It's infused with coconut oil, and I actually really like that this is talc free. That's amazing. It's vegan, cruelty free, infused with vitamin E. Sounds like has a nice formula. I mean, obviously I've never tried it before, so I'm not sure. That's really cool. I'm happy to see, you know, new brands inside here that I've never seen before. So for a rundown of the products, the Real Her eyeshadow palette is $28. The Mud Masky, you guys, are you ready for this? It's $59. The Tarte Glotion is $32. The Arstelli Beauty Sponge Duo is $24. And the Mellow Cosmetics Lip Pencil is $15. Giving us a grand total of $158. Pretty cool. I liked, you know, everything that was in here. I thought it was a pretty decent box. Was it my favorite box? I mean, I thought it was pretty good though. I thought it was pretty good. I really like the sponges. I think that's something new and different. This brand seems really nice. I like the whole coconut oil talc-free thing. The lip liner seems really nice. I've seen a mask that was fragrance free. And the Tarte, I mean, that's a really nice inclusion in this box too. So overall, I'm really happy with this one. Let me know what you guys think if you got the same box, and I will give you the box number. I have C21120008-BA if you guys want to know my box number. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my double unboxing for November and December. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought. Were you happy with your box? Do you not get Boxycharm anymore? Are you a fan? Let's chat, and thank you guys so much for watching as always. I love you so much. Big hugs, big love, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!